Here's a Happy Camper 2-in-1 LED ceiling fan. I bought this because I thought it was really interesting and I wanted a fan for summer camp. So I bought this one. It's 2-in-1. It can be a ceiling fan or it can be a portable fan. So I'll show you what's in the box and I'll be right back. So in the box is pretty straightforward. There's a fan and nothing more. No instructions, no extra parts. It's already put together for you. So here's the actual unit itself. Has 2 speeds and 1 setting for the light. It tilts up and down. Has a carry handle and a hook right here so you can hang it. And has lights on the bottom. So I will demonstrate the lights. Very bright. And now I will demonstrate the fan. Here's low. Here's high. And that is an unboxing and review of the Happy Camper 2-in-1 LED ceiling fan. Thank you for watching, comment, rate, and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed.